BlueBell. Hello, everybody. Just got done cleaning up the puppy's pen. Hey, pups. Hey, pups. They just love getting in her bed. Hey, guys. Hey, BlueBell. She had to jump back in there because I was harassing them, moving them around. So she's just letting them know everything's okay. Huh? A-okay. Yeah. They're starting to wobble around a lot. Some of them are starting to chat. You gonna head over there too? Yeah? Mom's not coming to you? You're gonna figure out how to get over there? Good job, pup.